Alright guys, in the last video we deployed our smart contract to the blockchain, Corelli testnet, and to verify it, you can simply visit gorelli-etherscan.io, paste your contract address and search for it. Alright, you can see my own contract. I deployed it yesterday night, and yeah, 11 hours 21 minutes ago. So my contract exists. Alright, and our UI, you see how it is, but we're gonna work on it. So to proceed, let's move into our blockchain directory and the wallet.js. Let's create a local copy of our smart contract. So I'm going to say const smart contract equals web3. It's an arrow function. And by the way, you really don't have to add those parentheses if you don't want to. But if you want, you can add them. And I'm going to return new web3 dot it dot contract. This is coming from my web3.js library, and I'll pass in my ABI if you remember the ABI. Then I'll pass in my contract address as the second parameter. Then I export this function, export default smart contract. Alright, we're done with this page. We can close it now. Alright, my pages directory, I'm going to open my wallet. This is where my UI is at. So first thing first, let's import the smart contract. From go up one level, the blockchain directory, then grab my wallet. Alright, and to use smart contract here, we need to make use of web3, meaning I have to set web3 as a state variable. So I'm going to get rid of that one and create a new state variable for web3. So I'll say const web3, then set web3. In spacing, then use state null. Then around here where we define web3, going to set web3 here. Set web3 as the web3 we defined in this line. Alright, another thing we need to interact with our smart contract is an address. So let's make a state variable for storing our address, for holding the address. Alright, address set address using state null. Then around here set up account or choosing account. closing an account, you do const account equals await web3 dot it dot get account. Then if you've read the web3.js documentation, you understand what I'm doing here. I'm requesting for all the accounts I have from my wallet. Then I'll set my address here as the first account using the array index of 0. Then I think we're good to go. We can bring in the wallet now. Not like the wallet is not here. We're going to call the function that can invoke the wallet. So what I'm going to do, I'll say wallet contract equals smart contract. Then we'll call the smart contract and pass in web2 as the argument. Now the web2 has the parameter here. This web now has a value. Then I need to save it as a state variable. So I'm going to create one for it. Const wallet contract. Then set wallet contract. I'll use state null. Then right here, I'll set wallet contract here as a state variable. Set wallet contract as wallet contract. Let's give this guy a keyword constant. Now it's a constant. And another thing we can do here is we can add one of those MetaMask events in case the account gets changed. I'll grab it from the MetaMask documentation here. This code, just copy this one and paste it here. So go window dot ethereum dot account change. Then we'll just set account. We'll set address again as account zero, but this set address doesn't know what the account is. So let's make account equals web3 dot it dot get account. All right, we're good to go. And now we can start building main section for the UI.